Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to share week 4 of Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creations, and I'll have her link down below so you can go check her out. So this week I am doing a playing card, and it's really simple. All I did was I covered majority of the card with paper from my stash. I think this was a printable, I forget who I got it from, but then I covered part of it with some blue washi tape. I had this flower ephemera, and then this is a sticker from the Dollar Tree. It's the tea cups and what was it, teacups, and there was like a spoon um, in the stamp set, or not stamp set, but the sticker set. Yeah, and I called it a day. Very simple. I'm trying to keep it flat. Yeah, so tea and flowers for this week. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.